Monkeys use leaves to buy things. Leaves are the main currency for most monkeys, but they come with some downsides. Leaves are controlled by monkey banks, and every time monkeys buy something, the monkey bank takes a little extra. Buying things with leaves can also take a long time for the bank to process, especially when monkeys send leaves to other monkey countries. Monkey banks can print more leaves, which can cause inflation. Not every monkey has access to a bank. Leaves can be faked, and the monkey bank isn't always open. So monkeys invent a new kind of currency. Monkeys use bananas. Bananas are not controlled by any one monkey or monkey bank. Instead, bananas are controlled by the entire troop. When monkeys buy things with bananas, there are usually no fees, or maybe a very small one, unless the system is extremely busy. Transactions with bananas are very fast, even between countries. Every monkey can use bananas without visiting a bank. Some bananas have a limited supply, which means no inflation. Bananas can't be faked. And monkeys can trade bananas 24/7. But monkeys still need a way to keep track of all banana transactions. Banks use receipts to track leaf payments, but they control all the information. So monkeys write down their banana transactions and add them to the big rock or block for short, where all monkeys can see them. Every monkey even gets a copy of the block instead of it being controlled by one bank. The monkeys who etch these transactions into the block are the crypto miners. They check each banana transaction to make sure it's legitimate and throw out any obvious fakes, then engrave the valid ones into the block. When the block is full, miners must guess the block's secret code, like a password they don't remember, by guessing over and over until one monkey gets it right. This is called proof of work. When a monkey guesses correctly, they are rewarded with bananas. All other monkeys can quickly verify the number and confirm it works. Because no single monkey controls the block, and everyone can see it sneaking in fake transactions is nearly impossible. When the miners finish a block, they share it with the entire troop. Every monkey gets a copy of the new block. And when this happens, monkeys simply add it to the chain. This is the blockchain. Each block has its own code, plus the code of the previous block linking them together. Monkeys can't go back and change a block without redoing all the codes for the blocks after it, which is nearly impossible. The creator of bananas or crypto is a mystery. No monkey knows for sure. Some monkeys claim they invented it, but this is unlikely. All monkeys know is the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Wait, if I remove the A's and the T's, rearrange the letters, most monkeys invest in crypto the same way they invest in stocks, buying when the price is low and selling when it's high. At least that's the plan. When crypto becomes more rare and more valuable, monkeys get excited and jump in without thinking about risks. This is called auto-aping. Crypto is extremely volatile. If the stock market is a smooth car ride through the countryside, crypto is a rocket-powered roller coaster. Crypto is still very new, so things like news rumors or even one monkey's tweet can massively affect the price. Some monkeys choose to buy crypto and never sell, no matter what happens. This is called hodling. But there are disadvantages. Some cryptocurrencies have unlimited supply, which can cause them to lose value over time. Crypto miners need a lot of equipment, which has negative environmental effects as mining increases. Crypto also has a shady reputation because some monkeys use it to buy illegal items. There's a common scam where certain monkeys not naming names promote a new crypto to lots of unsuspecting monkeys. Everyone gets excited, invests, price goes up, and then the original monkey sells all their crypto. The price crashes, leaving everyone else with worthless coins. This is called a rug pull. And while the blockchain itself is safe, monkeys can still steal bananas from individual monkeys. And even though more monkeys are trading with bananas, most still prefer using leaves. The future of crypto is uncertain. New cryptocurrencies appear every day. Some well-researched, others basically a joke. Some monkeys say crypto is the future. Others say it will never be. What do most monkeys say?